all to hell! Where's Kakarot? Tell me where he is now!
Fuck you, Vegeta. I know where he is, but I'm not telling you.
I'm a little bald guy, but it's alright because I know what I'm doing. Ha 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 ha. I'm cool.
Come on out, Kakarot. I will show you the meaning of pain. Kakarot. Kakarot. Kakarot!
Hey, Broly. I know where he is, but I ain't telling you because you're a fucking loser. And you look like you have boobs.
Listen to me, Namek. It's obvious that Broly wants to know where Kakarot is. So I want you to tell us where he is. Because I need to know where Kakarot is. I need to know where Kakarot is at all times. All times, Namek. Don't you understand? It's all about Kakarot. Kakarot this and Kakarot that.
Well, I've got news for you.